Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook chuck steak on the stove. First, remove your steak from the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before cooking, allowing it to reach room temperature for even cooking. Next, pat both sides of the steak completely dry with paper towels to help achieve a great crust. Then, season generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. These steps are crucial for a flavorful and tender steak. Now let's get that beautiful crust. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat for about 5 minutes until it just begins to smoke lightly. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your prepared chuck steak into the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until a deep, golden brown crust forms. This initial high-heat sear is key for developing rich flavor. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, a smashed garlic clove, and a sprig of fresh rosemary to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter and aromatics. Continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. A meat thermometer ensures accuracy. The most crucial final step is resting your steak. Immediately transfer the cooked chuck steak from the hot pan to a clean cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for a minimum of 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces for maximum tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.